Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to Foxtecc, and today I'm going to show you and talk about how to check the battery cycle count on your iPhone. This is a very important metric, especially if you're buying a second-hand device or just want to keep an eye out for your battery's health. So let's dive right in. First of all, it's important to know that checking the battery cycle count isn't a feature available on every iPhone model. I mean, if you don't see this feature on your device, it might be because of the software update and you might need to update to the latest version of iOS. So make sure your iPhone is running the most recent software version before proceeding. To check your battery cycle count, you'll need to navigate to the Settings app on your iPhone, and once you're in the settings, scroll down and tap on the Battery section. In the Battery settings, tap on Battery Health. Here you'll find various details about your battery's status. In iOS 17, you'll see a status message indicating your battery health, such as normal, which is what I see on my device. This is a good sign that your battery is in a decent condition. You'll also see the maximum capacity percentage, which tells you how much of your battery's original capacity remains. The higher the percentage, the better your battery's condition. This is useful for understanding how much your battery has degraded over time. Now let's talk about the cycle count. The cycle count is the number of times your iPhone has used up its battery capacity. Essentially, one full charge cycle means using 100% of your battery, but not necessarily from a single charge. Like, for example, using 50% of your battery one day, then recharging it fully, and then using 50% the next day would count as one cycle. To find the cycle count, look below the maximum capacity percentage in the battery health section. You'll see a link or like more specific line mentioning the cycle count, so you can tap on this link to learn more details about the battery cycles, but this is essentially how it works. Knowing your battery cycle count is particularly useful when you're buying a second-hand iPhone. It can give you an idea of how much the battery has been used, and it can help you make an informed decision. And that's basically it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace.